Good morning and welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, January 12th, 2023. My name is Robert Roy, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So keep in mind that everything we look at today is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along to the various social platforms. Go ahead and ring that bell, subscribe on YouTube so you get notified of all the latest and greatest. We put content out every day on YouTube. Go to Trading Like a Boss and check out all of the free trainings. That's all of our free resources are listed on that page. All right, with that, we're going to start off with economic reports today. We've got the CPI coming out, and unemployment claims tomorrow will be, let's see. Tomorrow we've got prelim on consumer sentiment. That's a 10 a.m. report. So that CPI is a very much awaited report. We are almost an hour away for when I'm doing this recording right now to the CPI coming out. So we'll see what happens when it does. All right, if we look at futures today, it's a sea of green. Everything is up today. The ES is up 4.5. The Dow is up 35. The Nasdaq's up 5. The RUT's up 2. Bitcoin, woohoo! Give it a 2 thumbs up, baby. Broke 18K today. Ethereum, $50, $13.93, almost at that 1400 level. Gold is up 11, 12 bucks. Crude, I'm not happy that that's up, but it's up a little over $1 to 78.5. All right, we've got our symbols loaded in, so let's go ahead and rock on like Donkey Kong, baby. And let's get this party kicked off. So Disney is our very first one on the docket. So they have a fight over a new chair right now. Some like, some don't, but this has caused Disney to go up almost $2. This morning in the pre-market, they're sitting at 98 right now. They already were at a bullish bias, not true bull, but bullish enough to take a directional trade. Let's see if we need a fib at 93 to 99, $6. We do. We actually need a fib inside of here. So we're going to go and split this puppy in half. All right. Bueno. So we're 96. Right now we're at 98. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 96. All right, that's Disney. Number one, LOGI. Right, they're down $10.64. The only one of our candidates down today. Earnings, they only have monthly options on this, but they are decent bid-ask spread, decent open interest. So I am very excited about that for it. So they were in a bullish bias already. They're now down at $57. Holy mackerel. So they broke the 8. They broke the fib line. They broke the 21. They're at 57.5. They broke down below the 55 even. So let's see, 58 to 63. We're looking at 5 points in there. We need to split these levels in half. We need a fib it. So let's go ahead and add a negative 136 and a 118. Just fill them both in. So right now we're sitting down here. Whoo, that makes it much worse. Right now we're sitting down here at that $57. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above the 57.5, above 61. All right, MELI, M-E-L-I. They got a upgrade. They're showing in pre-market right now at an asking price of $1,000. They're up $64.70 right now. Woo! A little bit large bid-ask spread, so you're going to have to negotiate this one, but I'm not surprised to see that, okay? So if they're up right now, let me get let's get a bigger picture of the fibs. All right, that's perfect. Just get this box a little bit smaller. I don't need all that real estate taken up. Trading the market's all about real estate. Not buying houses, but how much screen availability do you have? So they're up right now to 1,001. That puts us way up here. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 982, which is going to wind up being the 980s. But I'm going to put 982, just so I've got a reference of where I need it to be. Netflix, woo! Upgrade by Jefferies today. They have come out with a plan that they're going to start to go after people that are sharing their passwords. I don't know how they're doing that, if they're going to do it based on where you are now and then I'm in New York, and then, an hour later I'm in California, right? If they're checking the IP addresses and such, but they're up $4 on that news today. So that puts them at 331. So we're right up at that resistance level right here. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 318 or an option, long option, which means I'm looking to potentially buy a call option on Netflix. And could I do other options as well? Directional? Yes, I could sell a put. Still a directional trade. It is bullish. All right, QRVO upgrade today. They are up $8 to 106.84. Nice move for them. 106.84. Man, look at that puppy. We just rode the train right up. We got 104 and 112, so that's $8 now. We need to split our levels in half. So let's go add a negative 136, and we'll add a 118. So now we're looking at 101 to 104, $3. Yeah, we're good. All right. If we're at 107 right now, we're all the way up here. Oh, I like that. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 104. Below that 104 level. And last is, well, kind of last, right? I'm going to add one more in there for you. That's not on our list. TSM right now, Taiwan Semi. They are up $2.50 on earnings. That brings them to 84.28. So we're right up in the middle here. We're going to look at a bull put spread below 83. We're going to look at it as aggressive. We're pretty close to that level now, so I don't want to be too deep in there, right? AAL just came out and raised guidance. I just saw it as we were getting started. They're now up 77 cents on AAL. I mean, look at the move. It's been an amazing move. Airlines have done extremely well overall, right? But it's been a great move for American Airlines, right? They've had a nice rock to the upside there. So, actually, I need to redraw fibs on this, so let's do that. Grab it that high to that low. Pull it out to the right. And we're sitting right now at 16.12, so we're above that 15.82. I like it. You could look at a credit spread on this. You're probably just not going to get very much for it. I'm going to be looking at, I don't mind owning American Airlines. I'm going to be looking at potentially naked puts. So we're going to go find a 20 delta. So right now, as of right now, and this is going to change when the market opens, we're looking at the 15 puts are trading for 19 cents. They expire tomorrow, right? So I'm going to look at a naked put with a delta of 20, and right now we're looking at the $15 put is the right now number. All right, so there's a little bonus one that just came in. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day. Make sure you go ahead on over to tradinglikeaboss.com. Tony has an amazing event coming up. It's his new free training, right? Go ahead and click on that, and you can get registered for the classes. He's got 2 dates left, right? So the 17th and the 19th. Take advantage of that, where he teaches you what it takes to become a pattern whisperer. And it is a free training. All right, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Bye for now.